But all the legends of Gallifrey made it sound so perfect.
Well, perfect to look at, maybe. And it was beautiful. They used to call it the shining world of the Seven Systems. On the continent of wild endeavour, in the mountains of solace and solitude, there stood the citadel of the Time Lords. The oldest and most mighty race in the universe. Looking down on the galaxies below, swore never to interfere, only to watch. Children of Gallifrey were taken from the age of 8 to enter the academy, and some say that's where it all began, when he was a child. That's when the Master saw eternity. As a novice he was taken for initiation. He stood in front of the untempered schism. It's a gap in the fabric of reality, for which can be seen the whole of the vortex. You stand there, 8 years old, staring at the raw power of time and space, just a child. Some would be inspired, some would run away, and some would go mad.